What's up, everybody? Hope all of you are doing absolutely fine wherever you are. Now, a couple of days back, I did take out my cycle to get a quick workout done. I've been slowly increasing my pace and the amount of time that I am cycling for, the duration of my rides. Everything has been going up little by little. But what did happen was I hit a very nasty bump. We got mail. Okay, so what did happen was I did hit a very nasty bump, and my back tire got punctured. So I brought it back. I did fill it up with air. Pavitra actually came, saved me, picked me up, brought me back home, and it's time to get my tire repaired. Okay, so what I did was when I came back home, I did fill up air in the tire and checked whether it stayed or not, what kind of an issue it was. I also did run my finger through the entire tire like this, trying to find out if I did hit a pin or a nail or something like that could cause a puncture, which would make it a lot easier to fix. But unfortunately, I do not think that is the case. What I think has happened is because of just the impact, either the valve would have given up under pressure or it might have torn somewhere inside. There's actually no way of finding out until we open it up. Now the main challenge is going to be finding a place that would repair the tire at this point of time. Most of the stores are shut, and finding a spare tube right now is going to be a little bit of a challenge, but I hope it's not too much of a challenge. I made a couple of calls. I did try to find out whether the service centers are working. Fortunately, there are 2 service centers working, so I'm going to go there and see what has to be done next. Okay, so there's been a slight delay in things. The person that I was supposed to go and meet needed some more time to try and source out the tube, because I'm running like I said, a 28 inch wheel, which I don't think stock is available right now. So I'm just going to go to another store and see if I get lucky enough with it. By the way, the ambulances are continuously going around, so please do excuse me for the sound. Right now at the cycle shop, and we are pulling out the tube at the moment. Okay, so do you guys see this red tape inside? Now this is extremely important for 2 reasons. One, it keeps your tube in check in between this as well. And the most important reason is, you see a spoke over there. So basically the top of your spoke sits under this. And because you're running such a thin tube, it might just pierce it and you will definitely end up tearing your tube. So make sure that this red tube, no matter what you do, is changed and checked every so often. Okay, so we filled up air in the tube and it has picked up a puncture somewhere very close to the valve mouth over here. And sometimes you can't really repair this, and what you need to do is change the tube. So basically this tube is junk as of now. One thing that I really like when I come to cycle shops is checking out other cycles. Damn cool how that looks. और आपका नाम? Rahul. So Rahul is now taking a look at the red tape just to see whether it's sitting correctly or if it has moved. I think it has moved a little bit over here. So you see these divots on it. So this is caused by the spoke hitting it, spoke head hitting it basically. In case you guys are wondering what it looks like without the tape on it, this is what it looks like. Get that clean when it's open. So what Rahul is doing for me right now is we're using a car tube to cut a thin strip out of it. and then that is going to be the first layer on top of it, and then this tube is going to come back as a second layer on top, which gives it a little more protection. So this is a new tube for the cycle, and once we are done attaching the first layer over here and get the whole wheel prepped, we're going to be putting that in. So that just absolutely sits perfectly, and it gives us another extra layer of much required protection for our roads. That's a perfect cut. So I just spotted these two Bianchis over here. Damn, they look cool. Now these are hybrid bikes, so basically they are meant for a city. I think that's a little more of a street bike, or could be classified even as a mountain bike due to the width of the tire. But this is a hybrid bike. It has thin tires. It almost has the same gearing ratios as your normal road bike, but with a city type of handlebar. So it's a lot more comfortable to ride around in the city. Now, to own a Bianchi bike has always been a slight dream of mine. They're absolutely fantastic bike, especially for their color, just that aqua blue that is just like punching and popping out. One day soon, hopefully. So if you now look at the fit of it, it is absolutely snug. So you get to see both the layers of protection over there, and now the tube is ready to go on it. Thank you very much, Rahul. Now it's time to slap on the tire.
हाँ है ना, ठीक तो बराबर है। इसको टाइट कर देना है। हवा डालने के बाद लूज करके डालना होगा, ये वाला ठीक है, ये लूज करके डालना होगा, इसको फिर टाइट कर देना होगा। हो गया रेडी।
Okay, so one very important thing that you have to make sure happens is after you fit in your tire, let me get a little more light to show you guys. Okay, now do you see this thin little ridge over here? Make sure that that is seen on all sides, because that is the only way to make sure that your tire is actually sitting correctly on the rim. Because if this does not happen, if this beading does not fit correctly, your tire is going to give you a lot of problems when you are riding it. So right now you can see the beading is absolutely perfect, and we are good to go. So the owner of the store kindly has given us permission to just walk around and have a look at the bikes and take a look at the store. Isn't this absolutely amazing? Now since we are in lockdown, everything is all kept away, put into corners and stuff like that. That is their storeroom. But the amount of cycles they have over here is absolutely fantastic. This is like cycle paradise. So for those of you that do want kids cycles, they have a couple over here. Suncross is another pretty good brand to pick up. They have some amazing cycles for teenage kids, and also they make a couple of, and also they do make a couple of road bikes. I think they have about 2-3 models in that. I'm not very sure, so please don't quote me on that. But the Rally is also a pretty nice bike. So finally the cycle tire is now repaired for after waiting for about 2 days to get that done. Hope you guys did find this video a little informational and hope you did enjoy it. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye, take care until next time.